The things in the Basilica, do you know that there was one thing here on top that was broken while they were doing the fumigation? None of the people knew, only he was aware of it. And he said, this is not been done properly. You'll have broken it. And so he told the Archeological Survey of India, you have to repair it. So he was very much, how many fans there are, how many benches there are, what is there, he was very thorough about it. He knew the electrical wirings, all the other things, and he would also do these works. These were his qualities, a certain leadership. Why was he remembered? Because he greeted everyone. He greeted in the measure he felt they should be greeted. Initially, he was very firm, and then he realized how to be kind in his relationship. Because sometimes, when the tourists come, they can be very irritating, but they come with their own agenda. So he would be initially firm, but later on he realized how to help them to understand how they are behaving here. This is something that he had an ability for. So when we look at Ashburn, we know that God had a plan for him. Now, he could have cooperated with it, could have not cooperated with it. We know that his life was ended very early at just 36 years of age. But in this short time, he did touch a lot of people. And this is an indication that he was very much concerned about persons. And he did make this connection, which is also an experience of God. How do we love each other? The way God does, by being present to the others, knowing them, and to be able to respond to them in the measure one can. Let us pray for him as we reminiscence his relationship with us for the past year after his death. There will be many other things that will show up, but we can see how God has his own plans for us. We can be in cooperation with him. So what do? Let us be focused on Jesus, and he will show us what we have to say, what we have to do, and what we have to be, not because of us, but because of him in us.